Welcome to Review Lab. The best pool closing kits is probably one of the most essential investments you can make to protect your in-ground pool throughout the harsh winter months, ensuring it remains in pristine condition and ready for enjoyment come springtime without the hassle of extensive repairs or costly maintenance. Number 5. Robelle 30,000-gallon triple action winter kit. Closing your pool has never been easier. This premium kit is designed for pools up to 30,000 gallons, providing everything you need for a stress-free winterization. Inside this kit, you'll find premium chemicals including winter shock, winter clear, and anti-stain control. These work together to keep your water clear and odor-free throughout the cold months. We've included complete winterizing instructions to guide you through the process. Just follow the steps for a perfectly closed pool. Since 1973, Robelle has been dedicated to creating the best pool closing products. Trust over 50 years of experience for your pool's winter care. By using the best pool closing kit, you're ensuring your pool is protected all winter. This means you can look forward to the most stress-free spring opening you've ever experienced. This kit is suitable for use in all types of swimming pools. It contains the essential chemicals to properly close your pool and protect it until the next season. What we like. This kit is designed for pools up to 30,000 gallons and includes premium chemicals for an extremely easy pool closing. It helps keep your covered pool water clear and odor-free. If you have a larger pool and want a stress-free spring opening with a product backed by decades of experience, you should consider this. What people say. This kit has everything you need to close your pool for the winter. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. My pool came out of the winter in great condition thanks to this kit. Number 4. RX Clear Pool Closing Kit. Get your pool ready for winter with our all-in-one closing kit. It contains everything you need to prepare your water for hibernation. This kit helps balance your pool's chemicals to prevent unwanted algae growth, staining, and scaling. Keep your pool pristine all winter long. Our formula safeguards your pool surface and equipment from damage. It protects against microorganisms and freezing temperatures. This winterizing kit is perfectly suited for pools up to 20,000 gallons. It ensures proper chemical levels for any size. Closing your pool correctly now means an easier opening in the spring. Save time and money on maintenance with these essential chemicals. What we like. This comprehensive kit for pools up to 20,000 gallons includes everything needed for pool hibernation, balancing chemicals to prevent algae, staining, and scaling. It also protects equipment from freezing temperatures. If you are looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution that offers broad protection for both above-ground and in-ground pools, this is a great choice. What people say. This kit has everything you need to close your pool for the winter. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. My pool came out of the winter in great condition thanks to this kit. Number 3. In the Swim Pool Closing Kit. Closing your pool for the season can be a hassle. Our all-in-one kit simplifies the process, providing everything you need in one convenient package. Protect your pool all winter long with our specially formulated chemicals. They offer reliable defense without any risk of damaging your pool surfaces. Tired of unsightly scum lines? Our effective oil absorber captures oils, preventing buildup and keeping your pool cleaner even when it's closed. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: winterizer, stain remover, shock treatment, an oil absorber, and a pool floater. Our kit is designed to effectively winterize pools of various sizes, up to 35,000 gallons, ensuring your investment is protected. Stop wasting time and money on individual chemicals. This kit streamlines your pool closing, saving you both time and chemical usage. What we like. This kit for pools up to 35,000 gallons streamlines the closing process with all necessary chemicals included, providing safe and reliable protection. A standout feature is its effective oil absorption to prevent waterline scum. If you prioritize preventing waterline buildup and want a convenient, safe, and comprehensive solution for a larger pool, this kit is ideal. What people say. This kit has everything you need to close your pool for the winter. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the closing process a breeze. All the components were high quality and fit perfectly, ensuring a secure seal for the off-season. Number 2. SWIMLINE HYDROTOOLS Pool Water Tube Bag. These weights firmly hold your pool cover against harsh weather, preventing debris from entering and ensuring stability. They are designed to fit almost all cover sleeves. Crafted from high-quality, durable vinyl, these bags resist punctures and leaks. They offer reliable performance for securing your pool cover throughout the winter. This is a one-pack of single-chamber, 2x2 foot corner water tubes. We offer various options to best suit your needs. Treated with UV and chemical-resistant material, these bags protect against sun and other damaging properties. They maintain their integrity even in harsh cold conditions. Simply fill them with a garden hose and place them on your pool cover edges. They are also easy to drain, store, and prepare for hassle-free maintenance. These bags are designed, tested, and distributed by our team in New York, USA. We offer a 1-year guarantee against manufacturing defects and provide excellent customer service. What we like. This product focuses on securing your pool cover against harsh winter elements like wind, rain, and snow, preventing debris entry. Made from high-quality, durable, UV and chemical-resistant vinyl, these water tube bags are designed for long-lasting reliability. If your main concern is keeping your pool cover securely in place and protected from the elements throughout the winter, these water tubes are an excellent addition to your closing kit. What people say. The winter closing kit for in-ground pools is a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary chemicals and equipment to properly close your pool for the winter season. This kit is designed to prevent algae growth and keep your pool water clear throughout the winter months, ensuring a hassle-free opening in the spring. It contains high-quality chemicals that are specifically formulated for pool winterization, making the process straightforward and effective. Number 1. RX Clear Premium Winter Closing Kit. Prepare your swimming pool for the off-season with our premium winter closing kit. It contains everything you need for a simple closing and a clear opening in the spring. This kit offers a chlorine-free solution for your pool's winter maintenance. It ensures your water stays ready for hibernation without harsh chemicals. Using the right winter chemicals saves you significant work when it's time to open your pool. It prevents unwanted growth and eliminates stains from minerals and oils. Each kit is concentrated for a single dosage, eliminating the need for measuring. Simply choose the kit that matches your pool size for a perfect closure. Keep your pool's metal surfaces protected from corrosion and prevent stains caused by mineral buildup. It helps maintain clear, blue water throughout the winter. Rely on RX Clear for dependable pool chemicals. Our products are the premier choice for maintaining your swimming pool in its best condition. What we like. This premium, chlorine-free winterizing kit for pools up to 20,000 gallons is designed for an easy closing and a crystal-clear spring opening. It effectively prevents stains, scaling, and corrosion from mineral buildup, while also purging oils and grime. If you prefer a chlorine-free approach and want to minimize opening work in the spring while protecting your pool's metal components, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for winterizing an in-ground pool, making the process straightforward and efficient. The instructions provided with the kit are clear and easy to follow, even for someone who has never winterized a pool before. The quality of the materials in the kit is excellent, ensuring that the pool is well protected throughout the winter months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.